In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a task to repeat every day in Todoist. If you're building better habits or managing routine work, making a task repeat automatically is a simple way to stay consistent without having to recreate to-dos every morning. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share a few tips so you know what to expect once it's set. First, open Todoist in your browser or desktop app and log in so you're looking at your workspace. Give the page a second to load your projects and tasks, especially if you use multiple devices. You'll want to be on the account where the task actually lives, so double-check you're in the right workspace if you use more than one. Next, navigate to the project that contains the task you want to repeat daily. Open the project, then select the specific task. This brings up the task panel where you can change its details. Look for the Date option. It's usually shown as a calendar field or button. Click Date to open Todoist Scheduler. Inside the scheduler, click Repeat. From the Repeat options, choose Every Day. This setting tells Todoist to automatically reschedule the task for the next day each time you complete it, so it consistently appears in your Today view. Before you close the panel, take a quick look to make sure the repeat setting is visible on the task. You should see a small label or note indicating that it repeats every day. If you already had a due date, Todoist will keep that timing but apply the daily pattern going forward. If you didn't, selecting every day ensures a new instance is created each day, starting today. That's it. Your task is now set to repeat. From here on, whenever you mark the task complete, Todoist will automatically generate the next occurrence for the following day. This keeps your list tidy and prevents duplicates, so you're always focused on just the next action. If your day starts in a different time zone or you work late nights, remember that Todoist follows your account's time settings, so the new instance will appear on the next calendar day for you. If you ever need to stop the repetition, you can return to the same date and repeat controls and remove or change the pattern without affecting your task history. With this simple setup, you'll spend less time recreating tasks and more time actually getting them done. You're all set.